We've been down at the property for about 2.5 hours.
That's it?
It's long enough. We're done.
Oh my goodness.
Ran through 4 batteries on our chainsaws and 2 backs, I think, among other things.
That was hard work.
Yeah,
but we made some progress.
Yes, we did. We'll show you a little bit what we did.
All right, so we created our wood pile over here. So we got that much cut up. That's pretty good.
It is.
That's, I don't know, 5 feet by 3, something like
10
that.
10 feet by almost 3 feet tall. Not quite.
All right. So when we got here, we discovered that there's a split tree out back here. This one right here. And half of it fell. And it pulled the trunk of this big pine down. So in the last video, you may have seen that this end was actually chest high. And then we did some cutting and it was waist high. And when that half of the tree fell on it, it took it right down to the ground. So it's right there, back on the hole. Raise that up some. Well, we made some progress. We're gonna have to take this out. We don't quite know how to take this out without it falling on the well house, because it leans that way. So we're gonna have to figure that out. Yep. And then we got that pile we didn't even touch. And we found that pile of trash. And we found another pile of trash. Then I dug out a bag of something out from under a tree. But it's good. It's good.
Property is drier even after the rain yesterday.
Things are much drier, yeah. I did dig another ditch. I found a swampy area really building up in the middle, way up there in the middle there. So I dug a ditch so it would drain down in. I gotta go check on that yet. But we're getting there.
Getting there.
Yay. Morning.
Good morning.
From Wilcox.
Yes, we're back on the property doing some work. We got 23 tons of stone coming in, and then we've got 6 tons of sand coming a little later after we get this all laid out. And here he comes. 23 tons. This is by the hearth where it was original concrete flooring that was broken up. And I'm building a form for some cement to raise it up, and we're going to drop those blocks right in on top of the cement as well.